Check out this honeycomb ball felt ornament that we can make in less than 10 minutes. All right, let's go into what supplies you need. One 12 by 18 sheet of felt, which honestly is way more than you need, but might as well have a little extra. Some scissors, and depending on how you plan on cutting out your circles, either little thinlit dies, paper stencils, or you really could just do it by hand. Super easy peasy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut out 8 3.5-inch circles. So I do have a video that you can go check out if you need help with printing out a freezer paper stencil, and this will help iron it on, cut them out by hand. But that's in another video and all the instructions are there, so go ahead and check that out if you want to download a free printable and then print them out and cut them by hand. What I did today was I used a little thinlit die, and I put this on my die cutting machine to cut out perfect circles. So again, I have another video if you need help with die cutting and what thinlits are and how to use them. So go check out that video if you need help there. But YouTube magic, we've got 8 3.5-inch felt circles. All right, now let's get started. Free pattern available in the link below if you want to go ahead and hand cut these. Also, comment and let me know what color felt you're gonna use when you make your ornaments. Because literally, I think this could be so cool on a Christmas tree and having multiple rainbow color ornaments or just all one color. And just let me know what your theme is for your Christmas tree and what you're gonna be using. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're liking it so far. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab each piece and kind of pseudo fold them in half. I like to kind of cinch them a little bit in half so we have kind of a little bit of a line here. All right, so we're gonna do the exact same process on every single one. So right down the middle, I'm gonna make a little bead of glue. So you've got your perpendicular to one line. And then fold this right back in half, cinch it, and let it dry. We're gonna repeat this process on all of our circles. I'm super excited to decorate for Christmas, and I have no idea what I'm gonna theme my tree this year, and I think that's what the most exciting thing is. I think I might go with like a rainbow theme. I think I wanna make a ton of these balls in all different colors and just throw them everywhere, and I think it's gonna be so much fun. I may even let my 5-year-old daughter get some glitter out and kind of go nuts and decorate some of them, because who doesn't love glitter on their Christmas tree? And I mean, glitter anywhere is always a good thing. You know, I really like this project because it's actually pretty fast. I feel like the reason I love these honeycomb ornaments is that they look really intricate and they look difficult, but really they're so easy. Also, you could totally do different shapes. Like, you don't have to do a circle. It's the exact same process if you did different shapes. You're just gluing little cinch points, and I think they would look super, super great. Plus, at least you know with felt. So I see a lot of these made in paper, but with felt, at least these are gonna be a lot more durable. They're not gonna tear, they're not gonna crush. Well, they could crush, but still keep them nice. But you could revive them if they get crushed a little bit at least. Okay, so we have all of these glued in half. They're like little taco shells almost here. So I'm gonna work with 4 at a time. And now, instead of gluing down the middle, we're gonna glue at 2 points halfway between the middle and the bottom. And then we're gonna go ahead and stack them perfectly together. We're just gonna keep doing the exact same glue points for each one. And do it again. My handy dandy cordless glue gun here, which has been so nice to not be tethered to a cord. And I do love my Sure Bonder glue gun, by the way. I mean, if you're interested, I've got another video that talks all about the corded and cordless glue guns too, that I love. Oops, that one got a little off. It's okay. One thing I really love about working with felt too is that it's really, really forgiving. All right, so now we've got our two halves. Then we're gonna go ahead and glue these two together. All right, now we get to watch the magic happen. Oops, open it up. Now you have a honeycomb ball. You could even do more than 8 to make it a little bit tighter. You can do less, you know, it's totally up to you. But I really like the look of the 8 because it just gives a really good, like the honeycomb holes are nice and big. So to finish it up, we're gonna do one last bead and then grab inside to cinch this last spot close. All right, this is when I just take my little snips here and trim off any little bits of glue that kind of snuck out on my project. Just clean up all my spider webs. Perfect. All right, one more step and then we're all done. I have been finding all of these really, really beautiful ribbons on Amazon. So you've got like a chiffon ribbon. This is like a velvet ribbon that's super pretty. You know, this is just a regular, it's just a regular velvet ribbon. And I have been loving all of these really, really like artisan quality ribbons that just totally elevate everything versus just like, you know, your typical boring stuff. But this is way more fun. So I went ahead and cut a piece of ribbon for a loop and then just tied a little knot in the bottom. And then so if you could see on here, there's like a hole right on top and there's, you know, on the bottom. So all I'm gonna do, throw some glue on the inside of my hole here, put my ribbon inside, and then just kind of squeeze it shut like that and let that glue dry. Now on the bottom, you could totally put some glue in the middle and cinch this up and make it tight, but I actually like it like this, so I kind of leave it open. Ta-da! Your own honeycomb felt ball ornament. Now this technique can be used on different shapes for different ornaments, and I can't wait to try out some different ones for my Christmas tree. So tell me, when do you guys start decorating for Christmas? Are you guys like October 1st Christmas decorators, or are you like after Thanksgiving kind of decorators? So let me know that in the comments. I would love to know. Please come out, all my diehard Christmas people. Check out my next video about how to decorate these super cute Christmas trees too. So let's start decorating. All right guys, if you need any of this beautiful ribbon, I've got links below in my description. Also, in my shop, I sell probably over like 100 different colors of felt sheets that you could literally make so many different options of ornaments. So let me know in the comments too what colors you're gonna choose for your rainbow tree or your white snowball tree, or let me know whatever you're gonna do for your decorating this season. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can find out more fun crafts that you can do at home to just elevate your Christmas decorating. Or if we just wanna become best friends, because why not? Catch you next time.